Hello friends, now to solve this expression we use the BODMAS rule which dictates the order of operation. First we solve brackets, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stands for off, we can convert into multiplication, square roots, cube root, we also solve exponent. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now the first step. Solve the small inside the parentheses. As you can see here, this is the parenthesis 6 plus 3 minus 4 divided by 2. First we solve inside the parenthesis division. Division come before addition or subtraction inside the bracket. Now 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Now the expression becomes 12 plus curly bracket 3 small bracket 6 plus 3 minus 2 bracket close plus 4 minus 2. Now in the second step, solve the 6 plus 3 inside the parenthesis. Follow the order from left to right for addition. Now 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. And after we'll get the expression becomes 12 plus curly bracket 3 small bracket 9 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 curly bracket off. Now in the third step, we solve 9 minus 2 to clear the parenthesis. Final subtraction inside the round brackets. Now 9 minus 2 equals to 7. Now expression becomes 12 plus 3 bracket 7 plus 4 minus 2. Now curly bracket off. Now step 4, multiply the digits. Inside the curly braces, multiplication indicated by the brackets precedes the addition. Now 3 multiplied by 7 equals to 21. Expression becomes 12 plus curly bracket 21 plus 4 minus 2. Now the fifth step, solve the addition. Inside the curly braces, moving left to right, perform addition. Now 21 plus 4 is equal to 25. Now expression becomes 12 plus curly bracket 25 minus 2. Now step 6. Now solve the subtraction in the curly braces. To clear the curly braces, final subtraction to solve the brackets term. Now 25 minus 2 equals to 23. Now the expression becomes 12 plus 23. Now add the digits. 12 plus 23 equals to 35, and this is the final addition outside of all the brackets. By using the BODMAS rule, according to this expression, by strictly following the BODMAS hierarchy, we ensures that the division inside the parentheses was handled first, followed by the arithmetic inside the brackets, then the multiplication, and finally the outer addition. And this systematically approach prevents error and lead to the correct mathematical result. And final result of this expression is 35. I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.